IBM Coursera certificates are some of the most popular career programs on the platform. But with so many options available, which ones are actually worth your time? In this video, I've ranked the best IBM certificates based on learner ratings, reviews, popularity, industry recognition, and career value. If you decide to enroll in any of these programs, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. It's the most affordable way to access IBM certificates and thousands of other career programs. At number 3 is the IBM AI Developer Professional Certificate. This beginner-friendly certificate is ideal if you want to build AI-powered applications. You'll learn Python, prompt engineering, generative AI, LangChain, and AI application development through hands-on projects. It has earned a 4.7-star rating with more than 82,000 learner reviews, making it one of IBM's most trusted AI programs. At number 2 is the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. This is one of the most popular IBM certificates ever released on Coursera. It has a 4.6-star rating with more than 151,000 learner reviews. You'll learn Python, SQL, machine learning, data visualization, and complete real-world projects that help you build a strong portfolio for employers. Taking the number 1 spot is the IBM Generative AI Engineering Professional Certificate. This is IBM's flagship AI certification. It combines modern AI topics like prompt engineering, large language models, LangChain, retrieval augmented generation, vector databases, and fine-tuning into one comprehensive program. It also has an outstanding 4.7-star rating with more than 100,000 learner reviews, making it one of the highest-rated and most credible AI certificates on Coursera. The best part is that all of these certificates are included with Coursera Plus. Buying professional certificates individually can become expensive, especially if you want to complete more than one program. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter investment. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off. It's just $239 for the year, or less than $20 per month. You get access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from leading organizations. If you're ready to start learning while the 40% discount is available, check the link in the description to get the discounted Coursera Plus annual plan before the offer ends.